it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this wash and go with using only one product. Yes, you heard me, one product. The one and only product I use to achieve this beautiful, defined wash and go is... I'll tell you in a minute. You got to keep watching. African Pride was kind enough to send me over this package from their Moisture on Lock, which is the Moisture Miracle line. This handwritten note, I just wanted to show you guys. I love receiving handwritten notes. It's so personable. In that package, there were two products. The first one is the Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. The second product is the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. So if you haven't guessed, this is the only product I use for my wash and go, the gel and cream. I hope the camera is doing this justice. Can you see these curls? One product wash and go. I cannot believe it. So my sister told me about this product before, because when she came over, her hair was nice. When I saw her hair was nice and curly and popping, and she told me she only used one product. Like, one product? What you use? So I ran to the store and grabbed one. Look, it's all cut up. Oh, look, it's all cut up. Trying to get every last drop of the product. But anyway, so when I received this PR package in the mail, I was like, okay, excited. I only used it one time, so I said, let me go ahead and do it again on camera so I can show you guys how this one product wash and go has your hair popping. And if you're familiar with the whole Moisture Miracle line, everything in this line smells so good. So this smells just like everything else, the leave-in conditioner, the other curling cream, and everything else. So like I said, this is a one product wash and go. I didn't use the leave-in conditioner. I didn't use the curling cream. Nothing but this one product. Why not? Matter of fact, it says 3-in-1 curl training system. Curl pattern. Number 2, molds and holds shape. And number 3, hydrates and air shine. And I'm not, they're not lying. It really does. It really, really does. It also says that it defines and elongates natural coils and curl pattern. Yeah, it does what it says it's gonna do. You see how long my curls are still hanging? It would definitely look how it shrunk up. Yeah. It's true to its word. She's a nice amount. Yeah. Show you. It's like a creamy. Feels like a pudding. And that's all I'm gonna do. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not gonna do any more talking. But let me show you how I separate the section. I don't do the shingling method. I just pull the curls apart, making sure it's product on each section. That is pretty much it. But this is my hair 2 days later. I just let my hair air dry, and that was it. So I will tell you, your hair will be a little hard, a little crunchy. So I just put oil on my hands and then just like go like this a little bit, and then just pick lightly at the root, because like I said, hair is going to be a little hard from the gel. And that's it. Each day your hair will loosen up and get softer. But that's all I did. This was a brand new bottle. When I did have to use, I would say about 75% of the bottle was only a little bit left. But that's fine, as long as I got the desired curls I wanted. And the style, I would say this style might last me 2 weeks. At least, yeah, about 2 weeks. And that's great for me, because usually my styles only last a week or 5 days. This product, well, the whole African Pride Moisture Miracle line, and I'm not saying it just because I got this in a PR package, because I purchased the whole line, and I did another video with the whole line I purchased myself. I absolutely love it. African Pride, you did that with this line. Everything smell amazing and feel amazing. Whatever the description is on the packaging, if it says it's going to elongate your curls, moisturize your hair, it does everything. I really do love this product. So, good job with that. So if you have not tried African Pride's Moisture Miracle line, you need to run out and grab you some. I will leave the link below to one of my previous videos when I think I did a wash day with all of African Pride's products, and I did a twist out using their products as well. I'll leave the link below to those videos in the description box. I will say next time I try that product, because it was really crunchy, I might go ahead and try a leave-in with it. Maybe it might help with the crunchiness, but I don't want it to take away from this curl pattern. Do you see this curl pattern? As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't mind me, I'm trying to create a thumbnail for this video.